Hey everyone, welcome back to the Printer Tales. Are you trying to print something in color on your Epson ET-2760, but it keeps coming out in black and white, or not printing color at all? I know it can be really frustrating, especially when you know your ink levels are just fine. But don't worry, this is a common issue, and there are a few simple steps so you can take it to fix it. So I'm gonna tell you some easy step-by-step solutions to get your printer printing color again, just like it should. Method 1. Clean print head. First, go to the printer display, then scroll to Settings and open it. Under Settings, select Maintenance. Scroll to Head Cleaning and select it. Now, press the Start button to begin printhead cleaning. Once done, select Nozzle Check and press OK. Load a letter or A4 size paper in rear paper feed. Now, press the Start button to print it. Receive the nozzle check result and check if the color lines are not breaking. If cleaning the printer didn't fix the issue, don't worry, the next method is to update your printer's firmware. Method 2. Update firmware. First, open your browser and go to the official website of Epson Firmware Update. Now, scroll down and click on the Download it here hyperlink. On the page, you have been redirected to scroll down and click on the Download button according to your device's operating system. Save the file on your computer and click the Save button. After downloading, navigate to the downloaded application, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. On the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement, select the Agree option and then click on OK. In the Epson Software Update window, select your product. Wait for the Epson Software Updater to check for software updates. After the updates appear in the Updater window, check the Firmware Updater and click on Install Items button. Again, on the Epson EULA window, read the license agreement and select the Agree option and then click on OK. Wait for the Firmware Updater to download. Now, in the Epson Firmware Updater window, read the instructions and precautions for updating. Then click on the Start button. Wait for the firmware update preparation to complete. Once the firmware update is completed, click on Finish and try printing again.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.